The World Health Organization is seeking to calm fears over a HantaVirus outbreak linked to a cruise ship, insisting the situation is not the start of another global pandemic. Health officials are now tracing dozens of passengers after several suspected and confirmed cases were detected aboard a Dutch vessel. Yannick Williams has the details.
The World Health Organization says 5 of 8 suspected HantaVirus cases linked to the cruise ship have so far been confirmed. 3 people have died, including a 69-year-old Dutch woman who tested positive for the virus. Her husband and a German woman also died, while authorities continue investigations into their cases. The luxury cruise ship, operated by Ocean-Wide Expeditions, departed Argentina on April 1st and is scheduled to arrive in Spain's Canary Islands on May 10th. Reports indicate that about 150 passengers and crew members from 28 countries were initially aboard the vessel, with dozens disembarking on the island of St. Helena on April 24th. According to the World Health Organization, officials immediately sprung into action.
They're conducting a medical assessment of everyone on board and gathering information to assess their risk of infection. WHO is developing step-by-step operational guidance for the safe and respectful disembarkation and onward travel of passengers and crew when they arrive. WHO has also informed 12 countries whose nationals disembarked in St. Helena.
He said the authorities from these countries, including the Caribbean, have been alerted.
Those 12 countries are Canada, Denmark, Germany, the Netherlands, New Zealand, St. Kitts and Nevis, Singapore, Sweden, Switzerland, Turkey, the United Kingdom, and the United States of America.
Meanwhile, the World Health Organization says the outbreak of HantaVirus is not the start of a pandemic because, unlike COVID-19, HantaVirus spreads through close, intimate contact.
This is not COVID. This is not influenza. It spreads very, very differently. So there are different precautions that people are taking. So we are supporting the ship's operators in the mitigation measures that they are putting on board. And as we've said, we are working to have a proper and full disembarkment procedures step by step to support authorities in the Canary Islands for the next stage of the people who are on board.
The World Health Organization says investigations remain ongoing as international health agencies continue to monitor the situation closely. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.